Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another episode from the English 101 UK. Always presented to you by Idris Mercy. As a matter of fact, this is the second part of the self-introduction, which we have started in our previous lesson, lesson 8. In it, we learn together how to do a basic self-introduction with some basic vocabulary. While in today's lesson, lesson 9, again, we will be learning together how to do 101 questions, asking these questions in order to get to know someone well. Not only that, but when we are asked, so that we can easily answer these questions without any hesitation and with confidence. Some of the adverbs, modal verbs, helping verbs, main verbs, pronouns, prepositions that are being used within this lesson are what, where, when, how, who, which, can, do, have got, I, you, my, your, am, are, and is. So let's get started now. What is your name? My name is. Where are you from? I am from. How old are you? I am years old. Where do you live? I live in. What do you do? I am a student. What do you study? I study business management. Another scenario. What do you do? I am a businessman. Or I am a businesswoman. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. How well can you speak English? I can speak English little bit. I can speak English quite well. I can speak English very well. Or I can speak English fluently. What's your native language? My native language is. How many brothers and sisters have you got? I have got brothers and sisters. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is. What's your hobby? My hobby is reading. In another word, what do you do in your spare time? In my spare time, I like to read. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Who's Going to Be the Millionaire? What do you like? I like playing football, but I don't like watching it. I like watching basketball. Why don't you like watching football? I don't like watching football because it's a waste of time. Okay, after watching this lesson, lesson 9, and its previous one, lesson 8, now I expect you to understand, ask these questions easily, and definitely can do a basic self-introduction. Keep in mind to improve your English faster, practice, and practice. Why? Because practice makes perfect. In our next lesson, lesson 10, we will do the last part of the self-introduction. But this time, we will try to take it to a higher level. So don't miss out. Lastly, if you have got any question, please feel free and go ahead. I will do my best to answer all of your questions. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't yet subscribed, I ask you kindly to do so. And if you like this video, please give the thumb up and don't forget to share it with your loved ones, friends, and with anyone you know. I see you in the next time. Cheers. Bye. All praises to Allah. All praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah. All praises to Allah.